Zia sir, thank you so much for inviting me here. It's like a beautiful place. Thank you so much, Mr. Ali. And I know everyone is here connected to construction, architect field, this kind of thing. My direct point of view is not connected with this construction field, but I'm into lighting, Philips, and this 3 days back, in Hyderabad, KTR, then this inauguration, ORM, which is that project is my company, and this Samshabad, entrance of Samshabad, that is my, and Hyderabad MCH is my company, lighting. I'm into cable and lighting as a part of connected to this construction, but as my passion become profession now, and so I keep traveling for my profession now, my lighting company and connected to cable company is top 5 in India and top 1 in South actually. But as GSR also know me as my profession model and show coach actually. I design my shows, and my shows won India Book of Record and Asia Book of Records. And I'm a face for many branded companies and hoarding girl for people. And regarding today's topic is that sustainability actually. I believe the same thing in fashion also. The mamas and dadas, dadis, that Banarsi saris, you never get that valuable thread now. So even in my field also, we believe in this. We do in such a way that it might be a very good dress or very good outfit for your golden day, as like a wedding or something. So this point is connected with every kind of a field, whether it is a construction, whether it is a fashion, or whether it is like food or anything. आप बचा रहे हो तो आप आगे खा रहे हो. So the same thing. This is actually a chain. And nowadays, regarding the construction field, space is like less. Now we are going like this, right? So the horizontal things are not like vertical things we are going. Because villas, you will get definitely greenery and everything, but for this kind of buildings, and this is definitely required that he plants and trees. We should feel that he, agar 5-floor building hai, 50-floor building hai, 25-floor building hai, connected to that, we should plant something before construction. And now my own villa is getting into renovation. It's like 15-20 years old villa. And very beautiful mango trees and guava trees and chiku trees are there. Like you will get around 300 to 400 mangoes in that tree. But now I'm worried about that only, that how will I save that when my architect said that you have to adjust. Thoda to kam hoga. So this is my point of view. So I'm looking forward for this kind of thing. And sir, I want to connect you for this thing also, like what you said, that teakwood is now not available. And that is the mindset, right? That we need windows and doors for teakwood. So just let me know and guide me that how can I set my mind apart from teakwood to. So
the right grade of teakwood might not be available. You will still get the teakwood, but if you end up getting sap, there's no point. You might as well make a fresh one. So because of the ecosystem not being there,
right.
So for us it is very important that when I'm giving out guarantees of lifetime to my clients and architects, that I get a particular grade of food.
Okay.
So that particular specific grade of food, which is grade A, which is a core of the tree, that I'm going to be following here.
And I think one more thing which I don't know, this is I think is a right platform. People nowadays, as an architect or as a builder, we are coming up with a lot of ventures and lot of things. But I think where I am missing when I just come up again for the renovation, what I am missing is that like if I am into Indian classic, if I want to go to the Victorian classic for design, how much I can sustain? Is Indian classic to Victorian classic, I might be sustained so many things because it's a valuable thing. But if I want to go from Indian classic to a kind of a Spanish look or a French look, so I think architect people must polish something in that, so that people like us who invested a lot of money into villas, houses or bungalows, so they
actually started with the same basic concept. If Professor Zia remembers, the first time I met him, that's what I said. Pick up any country ambience from 194 and I can recreate that for you without changing much of your elements.
Yeah,
that's how we sustain things.
So I just wind up. Thank you so much for inviting me here, and looking forward for your this thing actually.
It's like I'm giving it to everyone.
Yeah, it looks like that.